Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is November 16th, 2020, Monday. I'm Yvonne. Now let's look at the New Zealand dollar technical analysis. Now let's look at the New Zealand and US dollar technical analysis. The New Zealand dollar rose against the US dollar on Monday, increasing the price of the Kiwi US pair to more than 0.6800 ahead of the release of the US retail sales monthly data. As we are speaking, the Kiwi US pair affirms around 0.6847. The Kiwi US pair may come across a few resistance levels that might keep it from moving above the listed price tags. The first resistance will be 0.6914, which is the key horizontal resistance. The second resistance will be 0.6941, which is the high of February 2nd last year. The third resistance will be 0.70, which is the psychological number. Now on the downside, the price of the pair may find some critical support levels that helping the Kiwi US pair to stay above the set levels. The first support will be 0.6784, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci level. The second support will be 0.6743, which is the high of August 28th this year. And the third support will be 0.6709, which is the major horizontal support. Now let's look at the US retail sales news. The US Census Bureau anticipates releasing numbers concerning the US retail sales news on Tuesday, November 17th, which is tomorrow. Economists believe that the data for the US retail sales registered a reading of 0.5% in October, way lower than the reading of 1.9% in the month before. The US retail sales data reflects the total monetary value of the receipts of the retail sector of the United States over the given period. The monthly data variation shows the change in total receipts of the US retail sector. It is worth mentioning here that the stats for the US retail sales are significant indicators for the US economy since they provide estimates of consumer spending behaviors in the coming days. Generally speaking, the higher reading is seen as positive for the US dollar but suggests a bearish market for the Kiwi US pair and vice versa. In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of the pair over the recent days, trading the Kiwi US pair in either way might bring some profits in short to medium term trading. Alright, now look at the Pound US technical analysis. The Great Britain pound inched higher against the US dollar on Monday, increasing the price of the Pound US pair to more than 1.31 ahead of the release of the yearly Consumer Price Index news. As I'm speaking, the Pound US pair is strengthening around 1.3197 with some resistance levels coming across the way. The first resistance will be 1.3304, which is the trendline resistance. The second resistance will be 1.3400, which is the psychological level. And the third resistance will be 1.3480, which is the major horizontal resistance. And on the downside, the Pound US pair may find some critical support levels near the listed price tags. The first support will be 1.3025, which is the high of October 29th, 2020 this year. The second support will be 1.2911, which is the lower trend line arm. And the third support will be 1.2863, which is the key horizontal support level. Now regarding the Pound Consumer Price Index news yearly. The National Statistics plans to release stats concerning the UK CPI on Wednesday. Economists had predicted the values for the Pound Consumer Price Index to be 0.6% in October this year, as compared to the reading of 0.5% in October the year before. The stats for the British Consumer Price Index reflects the changes that occurred in the price of various products and services over time under consideration. The sampling of different products and services selected from various representative shopping baskets enable concerns to put forward the said data. The CPI is an important economic indicator of inflation and is crucial to estimate the possible economic movement of the country. Because the rising inflation rate could make things worse for the country's economy, affecting the purchasing power of consumers. Generally speaking, the high reading suggests a bullish market for the pound-US pair ahead and vice versa. Now, in conclusion, considering the price movement of pound-US pair over the past few days, selling around the current level might be a sensible trading decision in the short to medium term trading. Please always remember, trade with your mind, not with your heart. So this is the end of the technical analysis. If you like our YouTube videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and follow our Instagram at Forex Decoded. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and also share to your friends. See you tomorrow. Bye.